Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax returns for Army personnel. Filing your taxes can seem complex, but with the right information, it's straightforward. We'll cover the essential steps, from gathering your documents to understanding military-specific benefits. This guide will help you navigate the process efficiently, ensuring you claim all eligible deductions and credits. Let's get started on making your tax filing experience smooth and accurate. To begin, gathering your essential tax documents is crucial for an accurate return. You'll need your W-2 form, which shows your annual wages and taxes withheld. Also, have your leave and earnings statement, or LES, handy for additional pay information. Don't forget any forms for interest, dividends, or other income sources. Finally, keep meticulous records of all deductible expenses, like unreimbursed job costs or moving expenses, to maximize your savings. As military personnel, you have access to several unique tax benefits. For instance, you can deduct unreimbursed moving expenses for a permanent change of station. Combat pay received in a designated combat zone is typically excluded from your taxable income. Additionally, you might claim deductions for job-related expenses not reimbursed by the military. Exploring these benefits can significantly reduce your overall tax liability, so be sure to investigate all eligible credits and deductions. When it's time to file, you have several convenient options. Many service members choose to file electronically using commercial tax software or with the help of a tax professional. You can also take advantage of free tax assistance programs like VITA or TCE, which offer expert guidance. If you prefer, mailing a paper return is always an option. Remember to file by the deadline, typically April 15th, to avoid penalties and ensure a smooth process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.